Welcome to Sweden, a land of endless forests, crystal clear lakes, and a deep sense of calm. A country where modern innovation meets timeless traditions and where people live in harmony with nature. In this video, we will explore the stunning landscapes, fascinating history, creative spirit, and cultural beauty that make Sweden one of the most admired countries in the world. So grab your cup of coffee, or as Swedish call it, fika, and join me on this journey across the heart of Scandinavia. Sweden is located in northern Europe, sharing borders with Norway to the west and Finland to the east, with the long coastline along the Baltic Sea. It is the largest country in Scandinavia, stretching over 450,000 square kilometers and one of Europe's most sparsely populated nations. About 70% of Sweden is covered by forests, making it a paradise for nature lovers. The country is home to more than 100,000 lakes, and its landscapes range from snow-covered mountains in the north to the rolling farmlands and beautiful archipelagos in the south. In the far north lies Lapland, a region known for its Arctic wilderness and the magical northern lights. Breathtaking natural lights show that paints the night sky in the shades of green and purple. During summer, the sun barely sets, giving rise to the midnight sun, while winter brings long, dark nights that make the northern skies glow even brighter. Sweden's history stretches back thousands of years. The Vikings, first seafarers and traders, once sailed from Swedish shores, exploring and settling across Europe and beyond. By the Middle Ages, Sweden had become a powerful kingdom, and in the 7th century it was even one of Europe's greatest empires. But unlike many nations, Sweden has enjoyed more than 200 years of peace since 1814, a record that reflects the nation's dedication to diplomacy and neutrality. Let's explore Sweden's cities, each with unique charm. At the heart of the country lies Stockholm, the capital, built on 14 islands connected by 57 bridges. It is often called the Venice of the North for its waterways and beauty. Stockholm is a perfect blend of old and new. Medieval alleys of Gambala stand beside sleek modern architecture and world-class museums like Vasa Museum and Appa Museum. Further south, Gothenburg offers relaxed coastal vibe, famous for its canals, seafood, and friendly people. Meanwhile, Malmö, connected to Denmark by the iconic Öresund Bridge, reflects Sweden's diversity and modern spirit. In the north, cities like Umeå and Kiruna bring you closer to Sweden, Arctic culture, reindeer herding, and traditions of the Sami people, the country's indigenous community.